In a world where digital innovation reshapes our financial landscape, a name echoes in the corridors of the internet: Bitcoin. This isn't just any currency but a decentralized digital one, birthed in the year 2009 by an enigmatic entity known as Satoshi Nakamoto. The identity of Nakamoto remains shrouded in mystery, but the revolutionary creation left in their wake is anything but. Bitcoin is underpinned by a groundbreaking technology known as blockchain, a public ledger that ensures security and transparency in every transaction. This isn't your traditional ledger that can be tampered with. It's a decentralized and distributed network of computers, each verifying and recording transactions. Bitcoin, from its inception, promised to challenge traditional financial systems, disrupting the status quo. It dared to reimagine how we perceive and use money, offering a new perspective on financial transactions in this digital age. The early days of Bitcoin were anything but glamorous. Born from the mind or minds of the elusive Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009, Bitcoin was a revolutionary idea wrapped in a humble package. This wasn't a currency born in a grand hall of power, but in the realm of cyberspace, on an ordinary white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. The ideology behind its creation was simple, yet radical: to challenge traditional financial systems by offering a decentralized, transparent, and secure form of digital currency. Bitcoin's journey began with a quiet murmur, adopted and nurtured by a small group of tech enthusiasts and libertarians who saw its potential. The road wasn't smooth though. Volatile price fluctuations became the norm, with Bitcoin experiencing dramatic highs and lows. Yet each challenge seemed to strengthen its resolve, and Bitcoin's resilience began to shine through, captivating a wider audience. Despite its tumultuous journey, Bitcoin has survived to become one of the most recognized digital currencies in the world. Bitcoin is no longer just a concept, it's becoming a part of our daily lives. Whether it's the local corner store, an online retailer, or a multinational corporation, businesses of all sizes are beginning to embrace Bitcoin as a form of payment. This isn't just about big-name companies looking to stay ahead of the curve. It's about entrepreneurs and small businesses recognizing the benefits of a decentralized, borderless currency that allows for quick and secure transactions. Moreover, Bitcoin's accessibility is on the rise thanks to the advent of Bitcoin ATMs and online platforms. These innovations are not just facilitating Bitcoin transactions, but also demystifying the world of cryptocurrency for the everyday person. You can now walk into a store, use a Bitcoin ATM, and walk out with your purchase paid for in Bitcoin. From buying a cup of coffee to purchasing real estate, Bitcoin is making its mark in the world of commerce. The allure of Bitcoin extends beyond its use as a digital currency. As the digital revolution continues to unfold, an intriguing trend is emerging. Bitcoin has become a hot commodity in the world of investment and trading. The volatility that once raised eyebrows is now viewed as an opportunity, a chance to capitalize on significant price swings and reap substantial profits. Cryptocurrency exchanges have sprung up worldwide, providing a platform for traders to buy, sell, and speculate on Bitcoin. From well-established platforms like Coinbase and Binance to emerging players, these exchanges have democratized access to Bitcoin trade. They've made it possible for anyone, anywhere, to participate in the financial revolution that Bitcoin represents. But it's not just individual traders who are captivated by Bitcoin. The digital currency is gaining acceptance among institutional investors, those large entities that manage vast amounts of money. Hedge funds, pension funds, and even some corporations are dipping their toes into the Bitcoin pool. For them, Bitcoin represents an alternative asset class, a way to diversify their portfolios and hedge against traditional market uncertainties. This acceptance is a testament to Bitcoin's growth and maturity. It's a far cry from the early days when Bitcoin was viewed with skepticism and even outright hostility. Today, Bitcoin is seen as a legitimate, albeit still somewhat unconventional investment. This shift towards Bitcoin trade is not without its challenges. The regulatory landscape remains uncertain, and the risk of loss is significant. But the potential rewards are too enticing for many to ignore. The allure of Bitcoin, it seems, is more than just its promise as a new form of money. It's the prospect of being part of a financial revolution, of riding the wave of digital innovation to potentially lucrative outcomes. Bitcoin is not just a currency, it's a new asset class that's capturing the interest of traders and investors worldwide. As we continue to explore the world of Bitcoin, one thing is clear. The story of this digital currency is far from over. The shift towards Bitcoin trade is just another chapter in a tale that's still being written. As we stand on the brink of a financial revolution, what does the future hold for Bitcoin? A question that has been the subject of many a debate among financial analysts and cryptocurrency enthusiasts alike. The growing adoption of Bitcoin as a store of value is one trend that can't be ignored. In regions experiencing economic instability, Bitcoin has proven itself as a reliable hedge against inflation. It's not just the tech-savvy or the financial risk-takers who are turning to Bitcoin. Everyday people, faced with the harsh realities of economic downturns, are also finding solace in this digital currency. But it doesn't stop there. Bitcoin is no longer just a store of value. It's slowly but surely becoming a medium of exchange. From small online businesses to large multinational corporations, acceptance of Bitcoin as a form of payment is on the rise. The day when you can buy your morning coffee or pay for your groceries with Bitcoin might not be as far off as you might think. Yet, for Bitcoin to truly challenge the dominance of traditional fiat currencies, it needs to overcome a few hurdles. One of them is scalability. The Bitcoin network needs to be able to handle a significantly larger number of transactions to be a viable alternative to traditional financial systems. Another hurdle is regulatory clarity. Governments and regulatory bodies around the world are grappling with how to approach cryptocurrencies. The rules of the game are still being written, and Bitcoin's future will be significantly influenced by the regulatory environment. Lastly, mainstream acceptance is key. As more people understand and trust Bitcoin, the closer it gets to becoming a widely accepted medium of exchange. The future of Bitcoin is promising, but it's up to us to stay informed and understand the potential implications of this digital currency revolution. The journey of Bitcoin is far from over. In fact, it might just be getting started.